This morning, it is April 5th, 2020. But this morning, I'm meeting Dwayne. We're going to keep social distance, 10, 12 feet between us. And we're going to be working on 3 different videos this morning. The weather's nice. I'm wearing my Kevlar line flannel shirt. And looks like it's about 70 degrees, 68 degrees. And I'm riding toward the office. And it's quite interesting these times. We're taking it very seriously. Long before there was any national stop the spread, we had about half of the DK team working from home. The other half that are working at the shop are doing so safely with a bunch of different protocols. We're not letting anything in the shop without being disinfected first. So, interesting times. This last Friday, just 2 days ago at 5 p.m., Mississippi put a shelter-in-place order. Shelter-in-place order went into effect. And what that means is that there's no gatherings. There's not supposed to be anyone leaving their home other than for individual exercise, no group exercise. People can leave their home to go to work if they work at an essential business, go to the doctor, go to the grocery store, go to the pharmacy, and that's about it. I did call the 2 county sheriff offices near us, and both of them said it was okay to ride your motorcycle, just not in a group. And Dwayne and I are going to be together, but we're going to be 10, 12 feet apart. It was definitely nice to get out and ride. There's been less traffic. Actually, this morning, Sunday morning, I've seen far more traffic than I'm normally seeing in the afternoons when I go for a ride. Not really sure why. I hope we do some good videos for everybody today. Informative. Oh, one of the videos we're going to do today is the first inside scoop video that's just for the custom club members. And so it'll be the first one. Hopefully it'll be a good one. Hopefully the custom club members will enjoy it. And the other 2 videos we're doing are frequently asked questions, and then just a little video on what's going on at DK Custom Products in these new uncharted territories. Like I said, I did call Marshall County Sheriff and DeSoto County Sheriff, because that way is DeSoto, that way is Marshall County, and so we ride a lot in both. And they both said riding the motorcycle is fine, even if you have no destination in mind. Don't stop unless you're getting gas, going grocery shopping, etc. And don't ride in groups. Let's see what it would look like, the video up here.